Hi guys, I am Viva. Welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is for very easy and very delicious mushroom soup. It's both vegan, vegetarian, it's light soup, but again, it's very delicious. It's easy to make, so if you want to see how I make that, keep on watching. If you like my video, give me the thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. These are the ingredients I'm using today. I got some mushrooms here, bought them last night, but they're already turning dark, which doesn't make me happy, but I'll use them, they're still good. I'm gonna need an onion, half yellow, half red, and half green bell peppers, and one big carrot. I'm also going to be using half cup of rice, which I'm currently washing. Always wash very well your rice. Wash it few times. This will prevent the rice from sticking. Look at these beautiful colors. We have green, we have yellow, we have red, we had white from the onion, orange from the carrot. It's gonna be such a colorful soup. And you know what they say, the more colorful your food, the more healthy. And let's not forget, the mushrooms are full of protein. I will chop a little more of my onions, and this is my rice, it's ready. Let's hit that carrot on small, nice slices. Chop it nicely. And the mushrooms, I'm gonna cut them in thin slices. You can cut them even in half if your mushrooms are bigger. Just do as you wish. Look how beautiful this is. I'm using vegetable oil and placing all my veggies. I keep my stove on medium heat and I'll keep occasionally stirring the vegetables until they shimmer nicely. They look about right now, so I can add the mushrooms. And there we go. Keep stirring, doing the same. Put the lid back and stir again after that. Look at that, that looks beautiful. They're shimmered nicely. And now I can add the rice. When we add the rice, we keep doing that for a few more minutes. A little more patience. And when everything looks like that, it's time to add the water. Adding hot water to the soup. I added a total of 4 cups. And now we cover and boil until all ingredients are well cooked. At the end, I am going to add some salt, some savory, and black pepper, all by taste. And just leave it for a few more minutes. Look at this beautiful, colorful soup we got, and it smells delicious. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.